Hey, and welcome back to Dan the Flavor Guy. Today, something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about bottling whiskey. Not the way you would normally think. So what we're going to talk about today is an infinity bottle. If you don't know what an infinity bottle, well, the word infinity means forever. So this thing will never empty. As you drink your whiskey and your bottle starts to empty, more and more oxygen gets inside of that bottle, and now it is making your alcohol content weaker in it. Because of the way the air molecules and the alcohol react to each other. So the easiest way to keep your liquor tasting strong is to rebottle it. And what we're going to do is actually kind of create our own new whiskey taste by taking multiple bottles that I only have a little bit left in and filling this bottle. So every time my bottles start to empty, I'll continue to pour it in here, and it's going to give it more of a complex flavor, because there'll be multiple different types of whiskeys. Now, I'm not going to go crazy and add any type of flavored whiskey like banana or peanut butter, like I do have some of those. Definitely wouldn't want to do that to any of the ones that I'm going to add to this. So I'm going to get a funnel, and we're going to get busy pouring these in, and I'll show you which ones I'm going to add. Alright, so all you want to do, insert a funnel. The first one we are going to dispense into our new bottle is Breckenridge Reserve Blend. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to add this to our bottle. Okay, pretty basic, easy to do. We're going to go ahead, pop the next one. The next one we got here is Tin Cup, Denver, Colorado. It's an American whiskey. It's a good whiskey as well. I enjoyed it. And as you can see, I maybe have a couple ounces in each one of these bottles. I'm not even going to come close to filling this up. I might actually have to just crack open a new bottle and pour some in. BSB Brown Sugar Bourbon. It's made by Heritage Distillery Company. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say they're out of Oregon. And then Crown Royal Canadian whiskey. In all actuality, I probably should be putting all these into the Crown Royal bottle, because the Crown Royal bottle is much smaller. Alright, that's it. We filled half of this bottle up. That's not bad. It's a lot better than just having a couple ounces in the bottom of each one of these. But that's it. That's an infinity bottle. Pretty basic, pretty simple. You can clean up any bottle. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, take the stickers off, and take what's inside of this bottle, pour it into a smaller infinity bottle. But to be honest with you, they might be the same size. Hey, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button for more content like this. I also do cooking videos as well. Hit that like button. If you want to, share it with a friend. If you've never heard what an infinity bottle is, leave a comment below saying, hey, this is new to me. I might try it out. Anyways, thanks again for stopping by. Dan the Flavor Guy, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.